Frank and the Honorable.
What's next?
When we get to the site, we're gonna work our way up to the top tower and plant a few explosives. Then we're gonna get a good distance and make fireworks.
Where'd you get the explosives?
They were in Mrs. Stash.
A gun runner?
A gift in case we got out of that ambush alive.
I was working on a record. It's going okay. I think it could be big. I be nice? Hell no. No way, but a brother's gotta have dreams. Yeah, but what's the point of having a dream you can never achieve? When was the last time you even sat down and worked on that record? Are you really trying to convince me that you could be anything more than a sad amalgamation of cells, hernias, and disappointment?
Smash through! Let's do this. Let's do this. Those elevators should get us to the top of the towers. We'll each take one. Plant your package over there! Let's go. That was fun. We should do it again sometime.
Yeah. What are you doing Saturday?
Seriously, though. Thanks, Jason.
Sure.
See you soon.